Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're feeling overwhelmed with your Facebook friends list and want a fresh start in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to unfriend all your Facebook friends step by step. Whether you're decluttering your social media for mental health reasons or just streamlining your online presence, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or mobile app. It's easier on a computer for this task. Head over to your profile by clicking your name or picture at the top. From there, select the Friends tab to view your full list. In 2025, Facebook has updated its interface, so look for the Manage Friends option. If you're lucky, you might find a bulk action feature. Click on that and select Unfriend All if it's available. Remember, this could vary based on your region or account settings, so double check for any prompts. If bulk unfriending isn't an option, don't worry, we've got a backup plan. You can manually unfriend friends one by one. Simply click on a friend's name in your list, go to their profile, and hit the Friends button, then choose Unfriend. It's a bit tedious if you have hundreds, but it's reliable. A quick tip. Before you proceed, consider why you're doing this. Unfriending everyone might affect your social connections, so maybe archive posts or download your data first via settings, your Facebook information. Also, be aware that this action is permanent, so think it through. Once you're done, your friends list will be empty, giving you that clean slate you wanted. If Facebook's algorithms change things up, always check their help center for the latest. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.